Hey, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today I'm going to be doing a video, talking about the book by Jim Davies called Rivited. Basically, it's about how to, get attention and what causes us to put our attention in certain things, okay? This is very helpful to you if you're trying to, get traction with your video content online and you actually want people to pay attention so that you can help them, okay? So, I have my handy dandy notes right here. It took a lot of them. And I'm going to just be telling you the 5 things that I learned from the book that is going to allow you to be able to hold attention and actually help people out a lot easier, okay? So, 1, we're interested in stories about humans, okay? Your audience loves anecdotes, analogies, things to be able to, talk about and prove your point easier. For example, oftentimes when I'm doing coaching sessions, right, I have to use a story and paint a picture in someone's mind or my client's mind to help them see what they actually need to do for the day. For example, let's say that, you have to make a new video content or a video project. Or we're going to say like a group, okay? So I say, so the reason why you have a group is because you want to have a community of like-minded individuals. So imagine Apple, right? So Apple is a company that people get the tattoos of. People will line up outside of their doors and outside of the stores until the newest iPhone is released, right? So, they have a great community. And that allows them to continuously be able to help people and to get new clients and to be paid what they're worth. It's the same thing with your coaching business. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to build this group so you can start to build that line whenever you have a new either service or a new opening inside of your program. Okay, that's an example of an anecdote that I like to use to help people get the point. Okay, but it also brings their attention back to you and to what you're talking about. So sometimes within the video, people's attention might start to kind of wane, and they start seeing all these different things, or they get attention, or they get like a text, and they start looking down, okay? But then you pull them back in by telling a story, okay? So now next thing, number 2, we pay attention to things we hope or fear are true. Okay, people respond to, rewards, and they respond to consequences. For example, a great video title that oftentimes gets, great responses to either my content or just some of the people I watch on YouTube is, if you want X, don't do Y. And then people are like, wait. What is Y, or why can I not do Y? And it draws their attention because now they want to know why they can't do something. What's the consequence of doing this? Or you say, hey, if you want to go get 20,000 new people to watch your content and be helped by you, go do X or go do Y. And they're like, oh, okay, so I want this reward, so I have to watch this video to find out what I have to do to get the reward. Okay, it just draws in their attention. Next thing. We love finding patterns. So why do people like music? Because it's comforting. Because it repeats. They have a set of, puzzle pieces that fit together and repeat themselves in order for you to know what's going to come next. They might have a couple, different breaks in between, but for the overall, feeling of the song is going to be very similar. Okay, that's oftentimes why when people are sad, they like to listen to music, because it hugs them and lets them know that, your life may be tumultuous and things may be going right or wrong, but me, aka the music, is going to be right here being steady with you, okay? I'm never going to change. I'm always going to be right here with you, okay? Number 4, this is a little bit counterintuitive because we just talked about people like patterns. People also like breaks in the patterns. They like novelties, contradictions, puzzles. People love to learn something new, okay? So inside of the song, they might have a pattern break every once in a while. So it might be 3 bars that are saying like A, B, A, B, A, B, and then they're going to have a B, B, or B, B, A, and it's going to make a slight switch to keep your focus engaged and be like, oh, what was that? And then it's going to keep going with its regular pattern, okay? So the same thing with our content. We have to be able to have pattern interrupts. We have to be able to provide new information, but keep a very similar video style from video to video so people know exactly, what to expect. But we don't want to make it too similar. We want to have these little breaks. We want to have these little changes, these little things that we do in order to make it, easier to digest and easier to hold attention, because people do get bored sometimes. Okay? Next thing. People love to engage more senses. Okay, so, back when radio was very popular, I used to do just songs on the radio. But then MTV came out in 1981 and produced the first ever music video. And it was ironically titled, what is it? Video killed the radio star. And it's kind of ironic because that's what it ended up doing, right? Because everybody likes to engage more senses. People love music videos because they can see their eyes, they can hear it, and just different things. Versus if it was just a radio, they can only hear it, okay? So they want to be able to see, they want to be able to gauge, they want to be able to touch it, they want to be able to do every X, Y, Z, okay? Same thing with our video content. That's why we use video. That's why YouTube is one of the better platforms. That's why it's going to be around a lot longer than all the other social media, okay? So guys, have a great day. Hopefully you got something new out of this. I know I got something new out of this, and I've been studying this stuff for a little while. So have a great day. If you want to go join a community of like-minded individuals who are changing, their lives and moving forward and actually helping more people out and getting paid what they're worth, I recommend you go check out the link in the description either above or below, depending on where you see this video. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon, and see you later.